If you want to change the font in Framer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to update text styling inside your Framer project so you can make your website look cleaner, more professional, and fully on brand. Whether you're changing one heading or updating text across a section, this is a simple process once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Framer guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Framer and go to the project you want to edit. If you're already working inside a page, that's even better. Just make sure you're in the correct site or project before making changes, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong design. Once your project is open, find the text element you want to change. This could be a heading, paragraph, button text, or any other text layer on the page. Click on the text so it becomes selected. When the text is selected, Framer will show its settings in the right-hand panel. Now look over to the right panel and find the section labeled Text. This is where Framer keeps the typography controls, including font, size, weight, line height, and other text styling options. If you don't see the right panel clearly, make sure the text layer is still selected, because the typography settings only appear when you're editing a text element. Next, click the font dropdown. This opens the list of available fonts inside Framer. You'll usually see a variety of built-in options, and depending on your setup, you may also have custom or connected fonts available. Scroll through the list and choose the font that best fits your brand and the style of your website. As soon as you choose a font, Framer applies it immediately to the selected text. That means you can instantly preview how your design looks without saving and reloading anything. If the new font feels too heavy, too thin, or not quite right, you can keep trying different options until you find the best match. After selecting your font, take a moment to review the rest of the typography settings. Sometimes changing the font will make you want to adjust the size, weight, spacing, or line height as well. Small typography tweaks can make a big difference in how polished your page looks, especially if you're building a landing page, portfolio, or business website. If you want your website to feel consistent, repeat the process for other text elements too. You can update headings, subheadings, and body text so everything matches. Keeping fonts consistent across the site helps create a stronger visual identity and makes your design feel much more intentional. And that's really all there is to it. Open your project in Framer, select the text, go to the text section in the right panel, click the font dropdown, and choose the font you want. It's a quick change, but it can completely transform the look and feel of your website. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Framer tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.